Hello guys, welcome back to the new video. So in this video, I will show you how you can install the world best AI chatbot for your WordPress website for free. Okay, so you can see that here we have the travel into our website and here we have the chatbot. So here you can see that it is saying the suspect language guide. The name of our website is the suspect language guide and it is saying here the same thing. Okay, so you can see that here we have all of these pages here. Here we have this camp and all. Okay, so here we have all of this information. Here the contact. Let me close this one and let me show you that what are the information we have in our website. So if I go to the services, you can see here we have this type of here we have this type of services like backpacking trips, family hiking and all. Okay, so this AI will fetch all of this information auto. Okay, so we don't have to do anything, but just we have to follow some steps for that. So here you can see that we have the services option. So if I go and see here we have that this type of services. So let me show you that how this will work. So let's go to the chatbot and I will ask him some questions. So here you can see that it is powered by Botpress. So we're gonna use the Botpress for this because Botpress is very much needed nowadays in the website. So let me say here, hi, tell me something about. Okay, so let's say this hi. Okay, so let's say this hi. So let's see what this say about this hi. So you can see that it is saying hello and welcome to Suspect Language, ready to discover your next outdoor adventure. So it is saying this welcome message and it has given me all of these things also. So let's click on this see our adventures. So let's see what it will go and fetch this. So you can see it is fetching all of this information from this website. Okay, so let's see what it given us. You can also see here we have the audio option. So you can click on this audio and you can record your voice and send it to this. So it will understand and it will also listen what are you saying about this website and what you want to see. So you can see that it has given us these things. So it has given us slider also. Okay, that is very cool. You can see that we have this all of these things. Family hiking trips. We have this backpacking trips. Also we have this. Okay, so you can see that the more information you will have on your website, the more information it will give in this chatbot. So right now we have this on much information only. So if you gonna add so much services, so much things, so it will fetch it according to that. So which adventure would you like to explore? So let's click on this water sports. Let's see what it says. If you have the information about the water sports, it will show you the information. But if you don't, it will not show. Let's see. Right now we have the dummy content only in our website. So let's see what it fetches. So it says here, dive into waterfall, blah blah blah. So you can see that it is saying back to home view project gallery. So let's go to this project gallery. So you can see how cool is this. It has fetched all of this information about our website. So whenever anyone visit to your website, he don't want to go to the specific page and search for things. He can just go here and ask about his query, and this bot will automatically fetches all of this information from the website, and it will show you all of these things here. Okay, so this is very cool and this is very much needed nowadays in all the websites, I think. So you can see here it is showing all of this information again. Okay, so I'm not, so let's, without wasting any time, let's start it and we're gonna install this bot step by step in our WordPress website for free. Okay, so for installing this bot, what we have to do, we have to first to go to the Botpress. Okay, so we're gonna use the Botpress thing. Okay, so here you can see that we have to go to the Botpress and you will find so many videos are there on the Botpress, but I will show you a very easy way to install this in your WordPress website. So you will have this page. So let's click on this WordPress, and after that you can see that we have the complete AI agent platform. Here you can see that here you can read all of this information from here. So here you will find how to install, how to deploy, where the users are. Okay, so you can read all of this information. They have very good website here. Okay, so after that we have to click on this get started for free. Okay, so after that you will see here you will have all of this information that how you can sign up there, and here also you can will have this information. So let me go to the login because I already have this. So let me log in with Google. So it will take some time and it will automatically log in into the dashboard. Okay, so let me close this and let's close this also. So right now you can see that I have this website suspect language and I have removed that AI bot from here, and I'm now going to show you how you can import and install this bot for free step by step. Okay, so when you go to the home page, means the main page after login, so you will find this which is workshop. So this is coming from my Gmail name. So whatever name you will have this. Okay, so here you can see that workspace has no bot. So after that you have to click on this create bot. So when you click on this create bot, after that it will take some time. So now let's wait for it. So here you can see that it has have this type of options. So here we have to choose an agent. So we can choose the customer support. So here you can read all of this information, resolve issues and guide users, product recommendations, make relevant suggestions from a catalog. But I'm gonna use this brand AI assistants, help customer with brand related queries. So let's click on this. So here you can see that it is asking us to enter the website URL. So what we have to do, we have to just click on this website URL and go here and just paste it. After that it will we have to click on this add website. So when you click on this add website, it will automatically fetch all of this information, all of this URL from this link. Okay, after that we have to go to the text, and here we have to put some information about our website. So for that we're gonna use the chat GPT. So I already have the prompt. So let me show you how you can generate prompt for your website. So here you can see that I enter the prompt here, give me best prompt for Botpress describing all things about this website. So I can simply copy and paste the prompt to Botpress to make the chatbot perform very well and know everything about my website. So you can have this prompt and enter in the chat GPT. After that it will give you a prompt for here. So here you can see that I have this Botpress prompt. So let me click on this copy, and after that we have to go to the main Botpress, and here we can paste it. Okay, after that we have to just simply click on this next, and here you can see, here you can also enter some files. If you want to have any information from the file, you can also upload it there, but right now we are using the URL and the text content. Okay, so let's click on this create agent. Okay, so after that it will take some time, 1 to 2 minutes, and it will make the agent for you. Okay, so let's wait for it. Okay, so you can see that it has made the bot, and here you can see that it is saying talk to your personalized AI agent. Here you can see we have this type of option. Here you can also have examples like here you can say hi, tell me more. So let's see what reply it given here. So here you can test it out, and after that you can just go, and here you will find so much option. Like if you want to share this board with someone, you can click on this. See that here we have the style option, so you can go and customize here. So here you can see that you have so much options here. If you want to customize the colors and all, you can go here and just change the colors and all, like this here. Okay, so but you can see here we have this type of color, and when you enter this link here, it is automatically fetching all of these colors from here. Okay, so how fast is it is. And after that what we have to do, we have to just go back, and here you can see that we have all of this. Then after that we can click on this, and also we can go to the share option, and here you can see that we have this theme option where you can customize these colors and all. Here we have all of this general here we have all of this general information. Here you can have this composer placeholder also, like here you can click on write this. So here you can see that it is saying that your message, type your message, but you can change it here also. Hey, what you want to ask? Okay, so you can ask this here. So you can see that the placeholder is updated here. Okay, so in this way you can update the placeholder here. Okay, so after that let me show you here. You can fill all of this information about your store. So you can fill all of this information here. Suppose I want to change this, so let's change suspect@info.com. Okay, so and here we have all of these things ready. Now we have to go to the so if I go, let's save this configuration once. And also you can have this option here, allow file upload. You can just click on this and have this. And also let's go to the theme option. Here you can change all of these colors, and let's go to the share option. And after that you have to click on this embed code. So let's click on this embed code, and let me show you what are there in the advanced settings. So here you have to upgrade for using this advanced settings. So let's go to the share, and here we have to embed this now with our website. Okay, so for embedding this we have to do we have to go to the plugins option and you have to install a plugin. So for the name of the plugin you have to install is WP Code Lite. So you can install any plugin which helps to enter the header and footer code in the website. So I have the code snippet here. So let me go to the header and footer, and after that we have to go to the footer option, and here we have to paste this code. So after that we have to save the changes. Then after saving the changes, so let's go here and refresh our website. And after refreshing, you can see that it is automatically have this color of our website, and here we have the chatbot. So now if I click on this, you can see we have this chatbot here, and it is saying suspect language guide. So if I say, and here you can see that we have updated the placeholder, hey, what you want to ask. So it is updated here, and it is also saying by Botpress. So now if I ask, hi, tell me about this website. So when you say this, tell me about this website. So it will fetch all of this information according to the information which we have put it here. Okay, so all of this information are coming from this prompt. Okay, and it also fetches all of this URL which we have just entered there. Okay, so that's a great question. I could find that information in the company document. If you like, I can help you explore specific adventure services. Yes, so let's see what it says. So you can see that you can install this AI chatbot in your WordPress website for free by using the Botpress, and this is very much needed nowadays in the websites. So it is fetching all of this information. You can see that it has given us all of the information. So I hope you understand how you can install this type of bot in your WordPress websites for free, and I hope you understand all the steps. If you want to explore, you can just go here and you can explore here. Here you will find all of this information. Okay, so there are so much options here. You can go to the settings one, and here you will find all of this information. And if you go and go on the WordPress YouTube channel, you will find there so much videos also to understand this better. So I hope you understand how to install this type of free AI chatbot in your WordPress website. So if you are new to our channel, subscribe to our channel, like and share our videos with your friends, and I'm gonna see you next time.